sorry if it's super loud here. There's a freeway right there, but we're working on a trail called Fence Line today. So there's a tree over here that we're gonna use this chainsaw to cut out of the way to hopefully extend the trail. Yeah, let's get it. Alright guys, so we got that tree out, surprisingly. I didn't think it would take that quick, but we got the whole thing out, pretty much. Yeah, the rest we'll do on a different day. Today, we're just gonna focus on improving what we already have, so yeah. Alright guys, it's like a week later. It literally like iced here. Right there you can see, there was a lot more of that a few days ago. But we're back out here, it's a lot colder. About to resume the project that I started a week ago, so yeah. We gotta finish quick, cause in a few days it's literally gonna start snowing again. So yeah, let's go. Alright guys, so the sun has set, it's getting really dark out here. We have one section to finish, and that's cutting this little metal fence out and then connecting the two trails together. So yeah. Welcome to day 3 of the build. So, hi guys, day 3 out here. It's super muddy today. I don't know why, the ice melted, I guess, and it's super muddy. You can see, pretty muddy right there. So we're gonna finish raking the trail, build another jump, and the trail is finally done. So yeah, it's about to snow tomorrow like crazy. 10 inches, so yeah, better get to working. Hi guys, so end of day 3. It's gonna snow tomorrow most likely, so we're gonna come out here and get some clips of that. But for actual riding, we're gonna have to wait a few days, but till then, let's look at it because it looks sick. So yeah, see you guys tomorrow. Meow. Alright guys, so it's 2 days later. We got almost 2 feet of snow overnight, and we still have about 4 inches of snow in a lot of places, but the trail is insanely muddy. So we're gonna have to wait about a week until this trail is actually rideable. Let's hop over to next week. It's gonna be a lot drier, so yeah, let's get it. I'm tired of the snow, man. 3 weeks later, the trail is finally dried up enough for us to ride. I just got back from work. It's good weather out, and I've got no chain. So let's hike up the trail and hit the whole thing. Let's go! top to bottom. Let's get it. No chain. I have to run for this point. And he's dropped me. Whew. Oh, he sent it. T-Rock. Oh. Oh, we got the uphill. Yeah, downhill's better, yeah? Yep, definitely better. I got the shortcut. Oh my gosh. Sketchy off camera. Oh! Well, that was fun.